And in spite of us spotting Anushka with Ranveer at Karan's party, she makes it clear that she's not looking for Mr. Right, but Mr. Right now. Ouch. Poor Ranveer. We hope he's not listening.
No Mr. Right now.
I'm not looking for a Mr. Right now.
What you
I'm
looking
for a Mr. Right now. Because I'm too young to be finding a Mr. Right. I mean, maybe later on. I'm 22 right now. And I would love to have like a companion at the moment. I'm not looking for like a relationship where I'm going to say, okay, let's hold hands and just walk down the aisle now. That might happen, maybe with the same person. But right now I'm just looking for a companionship.
Ranveer also said that you guys obviously are friends. You're very close. He talks about how much he loves you, but he said in an interview that he could never handle you in the capacity of a boyfriend. He said boyfriend ki to wo jaan le legi. Now why would he say that?
That's because Ranveer can't be your boyfriend.
So it's him, it's not you.
Obviously. Ranveer is a very fine guy, very hardworking. But he's quite caught up with himself at the moment, which he should be. It's his first film. He's coming into the industry. He has to, you know, I understand that. And that's why I say I can't ever date him. Because he's very occupied with himself. If Ranveer wasn't that person, maybe somewhere down the line I can date Ranveer. But right now I can't. Because he's too caught up with himself. He can't, to be in a relationship, you have to have like that balance. Right now his life is tilted towards him. And I completely understand that. And I think everybody, his family supports it. As a friend, I support it. So, yeah, and that's why. And Ranveer thinks that because whenever he talks to me about, you know, like we discuss, he asks me, like, why wouldn't, like, yeah, actually, you know, people ask us this question, why don't we see each other? So I'm like, yeah, this is the reason, because I would want a boyfriend who'll, at the end of the day, not just come and tell me what happened in his day, but probably ask me, so, how did your day go? Which you will never do. So I can't date you. Simple.
So for him, that is his idea of you would jaan khao.
Yeah, because Ranveer, I'm telling you, he doesn't. It's not in his capacity to give right now. And I'm not mocking it. I think it's right. It is his age to be completely self-absorbed and do what he wants to do, accomplish what he wants to accomplish. And he does not have the capacity at the moment to be a boyfriend.